Well, welcome. My name is Brady Driscoll. I'm sitting here with my good friend Cliff Dulock, owner of the Dulock Group. Super excited to have him on. He's a top producer, but I'll let him kind of explain himself here real quick. Cliff, how are you doing today?
I'm doing absolutely wonderful. Thanks for asking, Brady.
Awesome, Cliff. So how long you been in the business for?
Right at 4 years.
4 years. All right. So you got some experience then, huh?
Yep, started during the pandemic.
Right. Yes. Hey, best time to get started. I got started around the same time.
Yep.
I thought it was the best part of the thing. So if you're on this video, you're either looking for one of two things, right? One, somebody sent this to you and you don't know for sure what it's about, or two, you received probably a text message from Cliff, and you're looking for a new opportunity. So what we want to go ahead and do is go over the 5 key things that we truly do believe makes us different, stand out, and think that it may make it a good fit for you, and it may not be also, right? And that's 100% okay also. So, the one thing that I want to get through that everybody always wants to ask is, our training. So Cliff, you can kind of go in a little bit and explain, how does our training work? Is it just we're going to plug them into a system, they're going to have to figure it out? Or how does that all work?
No, that's the beautiful thing about it, Brady, is everything is already in place for you. You don't have to do anything. The system is already in place. Whether you have experience or no experience, you come in and the system is already in place. We have the scripts there. We have the presentations there. We have everything already. All you have to do is come in, follow the system, and as long as you follow the system, there's really no reason why you shouldn't be successful.
Exactly. And the system he's talking about is the 7-step training that we have.
Correct.
And you're going to be able to go through step by step. And we actually have calls every single day, Monday through Friday. They can hop on and hear from different managers, not even just Cliff. But then Cliff is going to follow up with you also after that to go through your goals and things like that. He's going to really help you through the process as you're going through contracting and everything. So, that's going to make sure that you are able to get up and going very quickly, right? Usually our agents are writing insurance probably their first week on average. And so, that's going to be able to help them. But the way they're able to write business, right, kind of goes into our next thing is our leads.
Correct.
So are these, social media leads? Are these people that, you're going out and knocking on doors, or how's that work?
No, that was actually one of the main reasons why I got into this was the leads, because I'd done cold calling in a prior life when I was in IT and did not want to ever do that again. But the leads that we have are basically mortgage protection leads, to where the person has either just bought a home or they've refinanced their home. So they have asked you to give them a call, whether it's through a voice activation or mail back or through a QR code. So they have asked you to give them a call, which is the best thing that I've ever seen.
Right, and we're still kind of old school, right? We're probably one of the only agencies out there that still does direct mail, but we see so much better results by actually mailing directly out to these clients that have actually filled it out, sent it back to us. So we're able to have those qualified people. And when we say qualified people, these aren't just Joe Schmo sitting on the couch looking for insurance, right? These are individuals that have responsibilities, they have a job, and they're able to purchase a home, right? If any of you guys have been through the process of purchasing a home, it is not the easiest process.
No, it's not.
So these people have already been vetted by mortgage lenders, and so they're able to be financially set. And so usually those type of people have the disposable funds for a product like this to probably protect their largest asset that they've ever purchased. So, and that kind of leads into probably what a lot of people want to know is, how does pay work, right? So, some agencies, right, when you write a policy, it goes to the agency first, and the agency disperses the money. How's the pay work here?
That's actually one of the coolest things about it is when you go through your contracting packet and all that stuff, you can set it up to where you get paid every day. So when you write a policy on a Monday, you could get quite possibly paid next day or on Wednesday or Thursday. So basically you get paid I get paid sometimes 6 days a week. So until they figure out how to get paid on Sunday, 6 days a week for me.
Yeah, I'm at 6 days a week too. So if you have a Chase, this isn't a sponsor for Chase, but if you have a Chase bank account,
right,
you're able to receive deposits on Saturdays. We think that's the only company that does it. But hey, 6 days is always better than 5, right?
Right.
So I love getting paid every
PNC does it too.
Oh, hey, yeah, there we
PNC.
Go. Perfect. So, we obviously love getting paid. That's one of the best things about this, but also protecting the families. And that kind of leads into the next thing is, how we protect our families and who are the individuals that we're working with, right? So are these carriers that are maybe C and D class carriers, or kind of giving some examples about?
No, these are all A-rated carriers, and household names like Mutual of Omaha, Americo, Forster's Financial. They've been around for 150 years. These are all carriers that have been around for 85 to 150, 175 years that take care of their clients. So those are the people that are those are the carriers that we represent, are carriers that stand behind their product and want to represent their clients in a nice fashion.
And the best one yet is going to be Government Personal Mutual. I know you write a lot of business through them. They're actually a proprietary company and product that we actually designed with them. They didn't have that product. And the beautiful thing about it is that you know, people that maybe have a heart attack or a stroke, we can actually get people covered on a term coverage, which no other carrier does that.
Right, right.
Not only that, they usually come in about 15 to 20% cheaper than every other carrier. So even if a client has a policy, 9 times out of 10, we can probably get them a better rate too. So, well, that's what we love about our carriers. And, you know, what a lot of people want to know too. So, you know, we have great training, great leads, the pays every day, right? We have A-class accredited carriers. A lot of people want to ask, right, is this only an option for me to just sell insurance, or is there an opportunity to also, you know, something further in your career?
Yeah, that's another, and that's one of the reasons why we're doing this video is to, if you want to build an agency to get other people that are like yourself into the business to build a legacy to grow something for the future, then by all means, this is a great opportunity for you.
Yeah, and not only that, you know, just like we have a 7-step training program for going through training and everything to sell insurance, we have the same type of program for building an agency. Is it required? Absolutely not. But I will say this: most agents, after a little while, and they start seeing the income and they understand the business a little bit better, they're like, "Hey, how do I build that agency thing?" And the great thing is, Cliff and I are actually going to help you build your agency until you hit the first tier of management, because we want you iron focused on just selling and leading from the front. Because people that you bring in, whether it's friends, family, people that we show you how to hire, you know, they're going to want to make sure that they're following you, right, and that you're actually making money doing this. So, well, Cliff, I think those are kind of the 5 key things, and we kind of rounded those off kind of quickly. So, people are probably going to have some questions,
right?
And so, what would be the best way for them to go ahead and contact you?
Contact me via text. My phone number is 972-551-9751. And just give me a call, or rather send me a text, and then we'll schedule a time to get on the phone for a quick phone call and see if this is the right opportunity for you.
Well, awesome. Well, thank you guys so much. Appreciate you taking the time and watching this video. Can't wait to see you guys on the leaderboards, and I can't wait for you to be working with Cliff.
Have a blessed day. All right, 8 minutes. Or no, it was actually 7 minutes. We started at...